Hello, this is Chef Jackie. Our second cupcake in our beginner cupcake series is the Japanese fluffy cupcake. For the cupcakes, beat together egg yolks and sugar until light in color. Add in oil, Arla full cream milk, and cake flour. Beat your egg whites and sugar until stiff. Mix your egg white mixture into the egg yolk mixture and fold gently. Transfer to a piping bag. Pipe 2/3 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. For the icing, beat your all-purpose cream and your powdered sugar until stiff. Pipe your creme chantilly on each cupcake. Decorate as you please. This is guaranteed to be so light and fluffy. Try nyo na!